What's going on, you guys? Country Slicker here. We have the Kemimoto dash kit for the KRX 1000 here. I think this one fits from 2020 all the way up to 2023s or 2024s even, but let's get into this here. If any of you guys that have the KRX know, there is a center dash part, and I'll put a video here. That center dash part, if you put anything in there, it slips around like crazy. They definitely could have done a little bit better job of putting something that's anti-slip, or something that that would hold your phone, or you know, your cool drink or your chocolate bar, whatever you put in that center console. It would really help to have something there. So I actually have my my sound system wired into a hole in there, but I needed something to keep my phone there. So Kemimoto sent me this dash kit. So we're going to install this right now and take a look at not only how it looks but how it functions as well. So that's the packaging there. Pretty simple design, obviously. That's where, yeah, just everything it slips around in there. I mean, it's a nice spot. It's right there in the dash. It's really nice. You can see where I've got my controller here for my music. But this in itself, oh my God, it slides around like crazy. So this dash kit, once it's in there, should offer a little more resistance and allow us to hold some gear in there. So this is the dash kit when it's all set up and put together. You can actually see on the back here, they've included some adhesive tabs, which are gonna be perfect. So we'll go ahead and clean this up and then put these tabs in the very back and cinch that down. So this is the kit installed. You can see here it's got a nice kind of stable button here. The only thing that I still need to do is drill these holes out. So right here and here, I'll drill a little 3/4 inch, or sorry, not 3/4 inch, maybe an 1/8 of an inch hole, and then these guys can go in there and that'll hold it firm. But even without drilling it, I can already tell like that's gonna stay really nice. And for my phone, like typically I keep my phone up here, but if I wanted to keep other stuff up there and just put my phone in here, you can put this in, and that's, you know, once that's in there, that is not gonna go anywhere. Like, that's really nice, rubberized. It's not going anywhere. It's anti-slip, and obviously now that it's in there, it's not going to come out either, because we have you know, down at the bottom here, there's those Velcro tabs that are in there. So this is removable, but with those Velcro tabs, that thing is not going anywhere. So nice product, Kemimoto. It's a cheap item. I think it's on there for like 38 bucks, which obviously, you know, if you're going to be riding a lot, it's worth its weight in gold. For 30 or 40 bucks to not lose your phone, that's, you know, it's a no-brainer. So good job, Kemimoto. Awesome product, and we're going to get some good use out of this.